Okay, welcome to week 6. Sorry for getting things posted late. I was took a vacation day on Monday since we were off, and then yesterday I had some proctoring for our math placement exam that I had to do in the afternoon, and so I couldn't make the video as usual. Okay, there's going to be two things that we do in Jupyter this week. The first thing is I'm going to teach you a little bit about using Markdown in the Jupyter Notebook, and the other thing is we're going to use SymPy, which is a symbolic package. We're going to solve equations with SymPy. We're going to do integrals with SymPy. We're going to do derivatives with SymPy, and we're even going to solve. I'm going to show you how to solve some basic differential equations using SymPy. I think it's pretty helpful. David Manuel has a whole set of videos on the Math Learning Center that focuses a lot on SymPy. And then next week we're going to look at some plotting functions in Jupyter, which is also extremely helpful, especially for teaching people things or showing people things or just for your own benefit. I like using it. The other thing is I want to mention the discussion. There's the ordinary technical discussion, but in the other discussion, in that discussion, I sort of ask some kind of midpoint questions. How do you like the course so far? What are some things that you've liked about the course or that you've learned in the course that you've liked? What are some things that you didn't really like or maybe could have done differently, or I could have gone more in depth in certain areas? Those are all there for you to look at and for you to discuss amongst yourselves. Obviously, I get you might feel a little weird talking about the things that you don't like, but don't worry. I'm pretty good at handling criticism, and I don't even know how much of it would even be criticism. Sometimes people just don't like, depending on what your job is and depending on what your goals are, some of the things in this class that we're doing are going to be mostly irrelevant for you. This is definitely focused. My mind is focused on people who are teachers, or at least people who are going to be explaining things to others. And if that's not part of your job, then this isn't going to be something that this class might not seem completely relevant, and some of the things we do might not seem relevant. But I like to hear what you guys like about this class. I like to hear what you guys don't like about this class, and I will be looking forward to interacting with you guys in the comments.